Act 1. Howdy, neighbor. Hey there. Lightning struck that tree down back there. Crazy weather, huh? I don't know. It's Larry's birthday today, you know. Oh, sure. The tree blew down. That was Larry's tree. Therefore, Larry is alive. I also think Chris wants to marry Anne. He shouldn't because his brother will want her back.
Well, I love Larry, but I want to marry Chris because Larry's dead and I like living guys.
No, Larry isn't dead. Don't say that.
OMG, he went to Jared!
George is coming. We better go see him, Anne. Let's go. It's your brother here. Act 2.
We're engaged! You need to move away from here!
Anne, we're going home. These people destroyed our family. George, have dinner with us.
Larry's dead! Larry's dead! Larry's dead!
Larry is alive because if he's dead, then his own father killed him.
I'll stay for dinner.
He is dead and I'm marrying his brother. Get over it. I hate you!
What? I'm just doing my job. You should turn yourself in. What is up with y'all? You wanted money, so I got money. To jail.
BT Dubs, Larry killed himself.
Okay, I'll turn myself in. Let me go get my things, for prison. I think I'll kill myself. It's been a good run. Don't blame yourself, Chris.